Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a JCB credit card. First, ensure your card is activated by following the instructions provided with it. When making a purchase, simply present your JCB card to the cashier. For online shopping, enter your card details as you would with any other credit card. Remember to sign the back of your card for security. It's a straightforward process, making your transactions smooth and easy. Using your JCB card for purchases is simple. Whether you are shopping in store or online, just look for the JCB logo. Many JCB cards offer excellent rewards programs, allowing you to earn points or cashback on your spending. These benefits can add up quickly, providing great value. Always check your card's specific terms to understand all the perks available to you. Managing your JCB account is crucial for financial health. You can easily track your transactions and view statements through the online portal or mobile app. Setting up automatic payments ensures you never miss a due date, helping maintain a good credit history. If you have any questions or concerns, JCB's customer service is readily available to assist you. Protecting your JCB card is paramount. Always keep your card details secure and report any lost or stolen cards immediately to prevent fraudulent use. Regularly reviewing your monthly statements helps you spot any unauthorized transactions quickly. Remember, staying vigilant keeps your finances safe. Also, check the description below for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. They're truly worth it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.